Hello and welcome to video number 3 of C Sharp programming and application for calculating the grade using if statement. I'll be learning myself along. So in this way you will also learn how to learn something new. So let's start. Start with sending in prompts for getting information that we will calculate the grade based upon that. Now the compiler knows that marks are of type integer. Now we'll use a switch statement to calculate the grade. So if it is greater than 90, then it is A plus. Then so it will each gap of 10 marks grade will change. Figured it out how to use switch without because switch is used when you want to when your input is numeric and single digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 and in order, but you can't if you want to grade like from 80 to 90, any number can be in between, so we have to create 10 cases for each mark. So in this case if statement, that's what I want to use switch. So the method I found is this, and I will now implement this because in this I have to uh, declare in a variable every time and then have it compared with the values and then display the grade. And this way we will create as many cases as we want. Line, all the cases, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I've figured it out. We will use the switch case. In that manner, we'll introduce a case, introduce a new variable, and then we'll put the bracket of the grade and they'll declare the grade. And the end will display the name, the roll number, and the grade of the respective student. So let's run it and check if it's correct or not. Okay, so within a couple of hours. This is all it is. Okay, so that is it. That is it for this video. We implemented switch to display grades in this video.